Hi guys, welcome back to TipRanks. My name is Annika, and here at TipRanks we would love to hear what you guys think of different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. As you know, I'm very passionate about the metaverse. I believe that this is a very similar opportunity like we saw internet stocks back before they saw their rallies up. The thing is, we can see lots of internet software companies transitioning into building their metaverse departments to build software, AI features, and virtual reality metaverse concepts. So in this video, we're going to look at two strong buy stocks for the metaverse revolution. The first stock is Matterport, and its ticker is MTTR. One of the certainties that we know about the metaverse and virtual reality is that it will depend on cameras. So essentially, high-end digital videos will be required to convert real-world spaces into online spaces. So Matterport is a company that provides us exactly that. They have a spatial computing platform. So this essentially allows for high-quality 3D space capture. The company has a wide range of cameras. So essentially, they can build a digital side to any space. Clearly, you guys, this is a connection to the metaverse, a virtual world. So taking a look at their stock price, the Matterport stock is $15.96. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy, and the analyst price target is $32.33. This is a 102.57% upside based on 3 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets for Matterport. Translating the real world to a digital world is quite a big business, and Matterport has benefited greatly from this. The company has more than 6.2 million digital spaces under its management, based in more than 170 countries. Per year, the company brings in approximately $111 million in top-line revenue. Taking a look at their Q3 2021 numbers, we can see how fast Matterport has been growing. Total revenue was $27.7 million, and this was up 10% compared to the third quarter of 2020. Their subscription revenue was $15.7 million, and this was up 36% compared to the third quarter of 2020. And annual recurring revenue was $62.7 million. They also had their spaces under management grow to 6.2 million as mentioned, but bear in mind this was 62% compared to the third quarter of 2020. Their total subscribers increased to 439,000, and this was up 116% compared to the third quarter of 2020. As for bullish news that points towards the metaverse and their transition towards it, Matterport and Facebook AI Research collaborate to release the world's largest dataset of 3D spaces for academic research. So the collaboration enables researchers to advance Habitat, which is Facebook's AI simulation platform for research in embodied AI, to help robots better understand and interact with the physical world. A lot of the transition towards the metaverse has been fueled by Facebook and their initiative to change the name to Meta Platforms because they are building their own metaverse. Facebook is investing a lot in R&D and infrastructure to facilitate a social metaverse. Matterport also extended the value of its digital twins with powerful add-ons, and these are now available on the Amazon Web Services marketplace to enterprises everywhere. This technology will supercharge the value of digitization. Essentially, they will collaborate amongst technical teams to build technology integrations, as well as their sales and marketing teams to serve new enterprise customers. Having this collaboration on the Amazon Web Services marketplace allows lots of customers to be able to tap into the digitization by easily purchasing the software and the technology that they need. So customers can now easily capture spaces and incorporate the Matterport spatial data platform into a wide range of solutions. So Matterport's 3D platform can turn space into accurate digital twins, which are at the center of where the physical world and the virtual world collide, and eventually in the metaverse. Many analysts are placing close attention to the Matterport stock. Matterport actually took advantage of its own success and 2021's generally rising stock market, which we have talked about, to go public in the summer via a SPAC transaction. They had a combination with Gores Holdings the 6th, and this was completed in July, and the MTTR ticker started trading on the Nasdaq on July 23rd. The transaction brought Matterport $640 million in gross proceeds, and since then the shares have gained 28%, and the company has a current market cap of $4.42 billion. Five-star analyst Daniel Ives from Wedbush says that he's bullish on Matterport, and he says that we continue to believe Matterport is in the early innings of massive growth story playing out over the coming years. Based on our conversations with investors over the past few months, we believe that this tech story remains under the radar among growth investors, and we highlight MTTR as one of our favorite ideas for 2022. And this is why he gave it a buy rating with a $38 price target, which is a 131% upside. The second stock is NVIDIA Corporation, and its ticker is NVDA. Now, NVIDIA is a well-known name in the semiconductor chip industry. They are a leader in memory chips and graphic processors, both in the professional markets and in the gaming markets. Well, here's the thing. The metaverse would not exist without computer power, and that's where NVIDIA comes in. NVIDIA's reputation has pushed it to the forefront of its industry. It was the 8th largest amongst all semiconductor companies in 2020, based on sales. The current price for NVIDIA is $281.03. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy, and this is based on 26 ratings. The analyst price target is $360. This is a 28.16% upside, based on 26 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets for NVIDIA. NVIDIA's financial results for Q3 2021 were outstanding. They had a record revenue of $7.10 billion, and this was up 50% from the year earlier. They also had a record data center revenue of $2.94 billion, which was up 55% from the year earlier. They also had a record gaming revenue of $3.22 billion. This was also up 42% from the year earlier. The founder and CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang, said that our GTC event series showcases the expanding universe of NVIDIA's accelerated computing. Last week's event was most successful yet, highlighting diverse applications, including supply chain logistics, cybersecurity, natural language processing, quantum computing research, robotics, self-driving cars, climate science, and digital biology. It seems that NVIDIA has a lot of the components that can really aid progress the metaverse. One of the points that NVIDIA focuses on is that the Omniverse is a major theme at GTC. They showed what is possible when they can jump into a virtual worlds. Essentially, the CEO said that the Omniverse will be used for collaborative design, customer service avatars, and video conferencing to digital twins of factories, processing plants, even entire cities. Omniverse brings together NVIDIA's expertise in AI, simulation, graphics, and computing infrastructure. This is the tip of the iceberg of what's to come. NVIDIA is angling itself towards the metaverse as a collaboration platform. At this week's GTC, the company unveiled Earth 2, a supercomputer-hosted, full Earth simulation built to fight climate change, but that could possibly become the place that people virtually work, play, and live. In short, it sounds like something that can be used for the metaverse. NVIDIA is also making its metaverse building software free for individual creators. So they're adding new features and partners to the Omniverse, its real-time 3D design collaboration and virtual world simulation platform. The Omniverse combines graphics, artificial intelligence, simulation tools, and scalable computing to help designers and creators craft 3D assets and scenes from their laptops or workstations. NVIDIA has also announced the expansion of Omniverse with new features such as one-click collaboration tool, Nucleus Cloud. They have an entire new ecosystem of partners, and these include 3D marketplaces, digital asset libraries, TurboSquid by Shutterstock, CGT Trader, Sketchfab, and Twin Brew. Five-star analyst Aaron Rakers from Wells Fargo is bullish. He deems it to be a buy with a $370 price target, which is a 31% upside. He says that we estimate that the metaverse could equate to a $10 billion incremental market opportunity for NVIDIA over the next 5 years. NVIDIA has outlined a TAM of 20 million designers and engineers that could benefit from Omniverse adoption today. So guys, what do you think of these two metaverse stocks? Also let us know what you think of the metaverse. And do you think it's an exciting concept, or are you not so sure? Let us know in the comments below your opinions of different stocks you're looking at, maybe different metaverse stocks, and also your opinions on the market sentiment. And also, if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!